Good morning, friends. We're ready for lesson 46 of our Sunday. So let's go ahead and read our sounds. Sp, sn, sk, sw, cl, st, fl, bl, sm, cur, gur, ft, nk, gl, sol, tur, pull, burr, sk, fur, dur, purr, st, sp, nd, mb, olt, nt, n, olk, kt. All right, and we're going to spell sounds. So today, the first sound I want you to spell is or. Okay. So that is O-R, or. The next sound you're going to spell, which is E. All right, letters that follow a soft C and G. So after a soft C and G, we would see E, I, and Y. Okay, J at the end of a word. What three letters is that? J at the end of the word. D, G, and E. Okay, write two other ways to write J. It could be simply J, and it could be also G. All right, nice job, friends. Okay, we're going to read our words. Whoops. All right, here we go. Catch, kneading, cooking, blowing, snatch, planting, shower, locker, badge, braces, hitching, telling, fudge, looking, rocker, catcher, hitch, stagehand, bridge, stacking, hitch, jumping, pitching, itch, lodge, clicking, ditch, deeper, hedge, licking, smudge, crutch, notch, harder, dodge, banker, Dutch, sooner, batch, wedge, ridge, thinking, clutch, flower, judge, thanking, pledge, shook. And our sentences, bring that huge pooch inside. The center should not tip the ball over the sideline. Who is in charge of this mess? Did the troops say the pledge to the flag? And we're going to spell our words. The first word we're going to spell is forge. You say it, forge. We spell it forge. Okay, so that is F-O-R-G-E, forge. The next word we're going to spell is itch. You say it, itch. We spell it itch. Okay, so that's after a short I. So we would add the T-C-H to that one. Okay, a sight word, wood. You say it, wood. We spell it W-O-U-L-D, wood. Okay, we have a soft C in ice. You say it, ice. We spell it, ice. Very good. Next word, fudge. You say it, fudge. We spell it, fudge. F-U-D-G-E. Next word, gorge. You say it, gorge. We spell it G-O-R-G-E, gorge. I'm just going to get rid of a few of these really quick. Okay. All right. Our next word is leech. You say it, leech. We spell it L-each. L-each. That's 2 E's. Our next sight word is should. You say it, should. We write it S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Good job. Our next word is ace. You say it, ace. We spell it ace. Okay, so that's the C that makes the sound. The next word is hedge. You say it, hedge. We spell it edge. Edge. Good. Okay, we have another sight word, where. You say it, where. We spell it wa-air. Where. Okay, our next sight word is there. You say it, there. We spell it T-H-E-R-E, there. Good job, friends. All right, now we're going to do our sentence. Okay, the sentence is, we lost the game in overtime. You say it, we lost the game in overtime. Okay, go ahead and write it, making sure you have a capital at the beginning, space in between your words, and punctuation at the end. Very good. All right. Good job on that. Remember, you can always stop the recording if you need to, if I'm going too fast and you need more time to write down, and then you can restart the video. Okay, our new sound is O, as in coat. It's a long O, as in coat. Say the sound O, as in coat. Okay, let's read some of our words. We have boat, foam, soak, coat, toast, coach, float, load. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and practice spelling a couple of those. So the first word we're going to practice spelling is boat. You say it, boat. We spell it B-oat. B-oat. It's got that new O sound. The next word you're going to say, right, is soak. You say it, soak. We spell it S-oak. Soak. The next word is float. You say it, float. We spell it F-o-oat. F-o-oat. Very good. All right. Then we have load. You say it, load. We spell it L-o-d. L-o-d. And the last word we're going to practice is toast. You say it, toast. We spell it T-o-st. T-o-st. Excellent job today, friends. All right, happy Friday.